Welcome to Nancy Ogbebor TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this vegetable pancake that'll leave you asking for more. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I'll go in with my bell peppers. So I have different colors of bell peppers. And I'll add in my onion. I'll add in 1 egg. So I stir everything together to combine properly. Next, I'll add in 2 cups of flour. So I'm going to sieve this. If you see what I'm showing you, you see some particles in the flour. Please sieve it, okay? So it will make your work very easy and neat. Next, I'll go in with 1 cup of milk. So if you don't have liquid milk, you can use powder milk and add 1 cup of water to it. Next, I added in more half cup of milk. Do it gradually and see the consistency, so it will not be too runny or too thick. Next, I'll add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. That sugar is actually optional. I'll add in salt, baking powder, turmeric powder, chili flakes, and I'll stir everything together. I have other vegetable pancake that I did on the channel. I didn't add sugar to that, so you can check that out, okay? If you have little ones, you can add in sugar and stir everything to combine together. Next, in my pan, I'll add in vegetable oil on the heat. So I'll be doing this on a low heat so my pancake wouldn't get burnt, okay? See, I was in a haste when I was doing this, so there is no measurement, so you can do your own measurement, okay? After scooping in the pancake batter, so I'll allow this for a few minutes and I'll flip it over. So continue to flip over until you get the perfect brownness you are looking for. So I'll continue this until I'm done with my batter. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, and let's continue cooking. So try this recipe and let me know what you think about it.
You don't have to wait from early breakfast to late night stew. Every show's a seat for you. Slice it, season.
And this is my final look. This came out so good. You can use this as breakfast and lunch. And I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.